1. Vivo V60 Full Phone Specifications Overview. 2. Vivo V60 5G Launch Date, Price, Camera Upgrades, Specs, Battery Capacity and more. 3. Vivo V60 5G, Expected Price, Specs, Camera, OS Upgrade and more. 1. Vivo V60 Full Phone Specifications Overview. Are you ready for the next big thing in smartphones? The upcoming Vivo V60 promises to deliver cutting-edge technology and features that will leave you breathless. But here's where it gets controversial. The tech world is abuzz with rumors about the latest addition to Vivo's smartphone lineup, the Vivo V60. While the official specs have yet to be announced, the preliminary details are already causing quite a stir. Let's dive into what we know so far. Network technology *. The Vivo V60 is set to support a wide range of network technologies, including 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G. This means you'll be able to enjoy seamless connectivity whether you're in a bustling city or a remote location. With support for both SA and NSA 5G, you'll be ready for the future of mobile internet. Design and display *. The V60 is shaping up to be a visual masterpiece. Its 6.67-inch AMOLED display offers a staggering 1 billion colors, HDR10+ support, and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The 20:9 aspect ratio and 460 ppi density promise a stunning visual experience, perfect for gaming, streaming, and photography. Performance and software * under the hood. The V60 is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM. This combination ensures lightning-fast performance, even when multitasking or running demanding apps. The device will come pre-installed with Android 15, and you'll have access to up to 3 major Android upgrades. Camera system *. The V60 boasts a dual camera setup on the back, featuring two 50-megapixel sensors. One is a wide-angle lens, while the other is an ultra-wide-angle lens, allowing you to capture breathtaking landscapes and stunning portraits. The front camera is equally impressive, with a 50-megapixel sensor that supports 4K video recording. Battery life and charging *. The V60 is equipped with a massive 6,500 mAh battery that should last all day, even with heavy usage. The device supports 90W wired charging, allowing you to quickly top up your device when needed. Additional features *. The V60 is IP68/IP69 certified, making it dust-tight and water-resistant. It also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for added security, and a stereo speaker system for an immersive audio experience. Controversial point *. While the V60's features are undeniably impressive, some critics argue that the device's high price point might be a barrier for many consumers. And this is the part most people miss. How does Vivo plan to balance cutting-edge technology with affordability? Thought-provoking question *. What do you think about the Vivo V60's rumored features? Are you excited about its potential, or do you think it's overpriced? Share your thoughts in the comments below. 2. Vivo V60 5G Launch Date, Price, Camera Upgrades, Specs, Battery Capacity and more. Get ready to mark your calendars. The Vivo V60 5G is set to make its grand debut in India on August 19, 2025. This exciting news comes straight from the reliable tech tipster Abhishek Yadav, who shared the update on X, formerly Twitter. This launch date fits perfectly with Vivo's usual release schedule and underscores the company's commitment to the Indian market. But here's where it gets controversial. Some fans argue that Vivo's focus on India might mean delays for other regions. What do you think? Price and variance. What's the damage to your wallet? The Vivo V60 5G is expected to start at 36,999 Indian rupees for the base model, which comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. If you need more power and space, be prepared to shell out up to 47,990 Indian rupees for the top-tier configurations. The price varies based on the specific features and demand in the market. As for colors, you'll have a variety of options to match your style, including black, dark gray, silver, mist gray, auspicious gold, and moonlit blue. Camera upgrades, a photographer's dream. The Vivo V60 5G is set to revolutionize mobile photography with its impressive camera setup. The device boasts a triple lens system on the back, featuring a 64MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 48MP depth or telephoto sensor, depending on the variant. This setup is co-engineered with Zeiss, ensuring top-notch image quality and detailed shots. For those who love portrait and zoom photography, there's a 50MP telephoto lens offering up to 2.5x optical zoom. And this is the part most people miss. The front camera is a 50MP selfie shooter with autofocus and AI-assisted portrait enhancements, making it perfect for vloggers and selfie enthusiasts. Additional features include optical image stabilization (OIS) for steady videos, 4K video capture at 30 frames per second, AI night mode, cinematic filters, and pro video settings. Display and design. A feast for the eyes. The vivo V60 5G is designed to offer an immersive media experience. It features a 6.82-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution, ensuring vibrant and lifelike visuals. The device is built with a flat aerospace-grade metal frame, a slim profile, and robust IP68 and IP69 water/dust resistance. The matte glass back adds a premium feel to the device. Color options include mist gray, auspicious gold, and moonlit blue. Performance. Power meets efficiency. Under the hood, the vivo V60 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, with rumors suggesting a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 option for the top models. This ensures top-tier CPU and GPU performance. The device comes with up to 12 GB of physical RAM and supports 8 GB of virtual RAM, along with up to 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The V60 5G will debut Origin OS based on Android 16 in India, offering a more optimized UI, better efficiency, and a bloatware-free experience. Battery capacity and charging. Power that lasts. One of the standout features of the vivo V60 5G is its massive 6,500 mAh battery, making it ideal for power users, binge watchers, and gamers. The device supports 90W or 100W wired flash charge, depending on the variant, allowing for quick top-ups. Additional features include reverse charging, super battery mode, and smart power management systems. Connectivity and other features. The vivo V60 5G supports dual SIM, 5G, all Indian bands, Wi-Fi 6/6E, and Bluetooth 5.4. It also includes an in-display fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, and GPS support for Beidou, Galileo, GLONASS, and NavIC. The device is rated IP68 and IP69 for water and dust resistance. Frequently asked questions, FAQ, about vivo V60 5G. What is the vivo V60 5G launch date in India? The official launch date is August 19, 2025, according to multiple credible leaks and industry insiders. How much will the vivo V60 5G cost? The base variant is expected to start at 36,999 Indian rupees, while higher variants with up to 12 GB RAM and 512 GB storage may reach up to 47,990 Indian rupees. What are the camera highlights for the V60 5G? The V60 5G features a triple rear camera setup, 64MP main with Zeiss, 50MP ultra-wide, and either a 48MP depth or telephoto sensor, up to 2.5x zoom. The front camera is a 50MP AI-assisted selfie shooter. Does the vivo V60 5G have fast charging? Yes, it supports up to 100W flash charge, model dependent, along with a massive 6,500 mAh battery for long-lasting performance. Disclaimer: the information provided about the vivo V60 5G, including launch date, pricing, specifications, and features, is based on leaks, reports, and early tips from credible sources. Final details may vary upon official announcement by Vivo. Readers are advised to check Vivo's official channels for the most accurate and updated information. So, what's your take on the vivo V60 5G? Do you think it will live up to the hype, or are there features you wish were included? Share your thoughts in the comments below. 3. Vivo V60 5G. Expected price, specs, camera, OS upgrade, and more. The vivo V60 5G is set to make its debut in India this August, and anticipation is building around this new smartphone. Just recently, Vivo launched the Vivo X200 FE, And now it appears that the company is gearing up to introduce another device focused on photography, the vivo V60. This exciting news comes from tipster Abhishek Yadav, who shared on X that the vivo V60 could be unveiled as soon as August 19, 2025. But what makes this phone stand out from its predecessors? Let's dive into the details. ###, a potential shift in operating system. One of the most intriguing aspects of the vivo V60 is the possibility of a new operating system. According to Yadav, the source who provided the launch date also hinted that Vivo might introduce Origin OS, which is based on Android 16, alongside the V60 in India. This would mark a significant change from the FunTouch OS that has been the standard for Vivo devices globally. Origin OS is primarily used in Vivo's phones in China, and its introduction could offer a fresh user experience for Indian consumers. ###, expected specifications of the vivo V60. Rumors suggest that the vivo V60 may be a modified version of the vivo S30. If we look at the specifications of the S30, we can expect the V60 to feature a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, providing a smooth visual experience. It is also anticipated to be powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, which should deliver robust performance. In terms of photography, the vivo V60 is likely to boast a triple camera setup, including a 50MP main camera, a 50MP telephoto lens, and an 8MP ultrawide camera. This configuration promises to enhance the photography capabilities of the device, catering to users who prioritize camera quality. Additionally, the vivo S30 is equipped with a substantial 6,500 mAh battery and supports 19W flash charging. While these specifications are based on the S30, it's important to approach them with caution until Vivo officially confirms the details for the V60 in India. ###, anticipated pricing for the vivo V60. Historically, Vivo's V-series smartphones have been priced around 40,000 Indian rupees. Given that the latest Vivo X200 FE launched at over 50,000 Indian rupees, it seems unlikely that the V60 will be positioned at a similar price point. This is especially true considering that other Vivo lineups are already catering to the sub-Indian rupee 35,000 market. In conclusion, the vivo V60 5G is shaping up to be an exciting addition to Vivo's lineup, especially with its potential new operating system and impressive specifications. But here's where it gets controversial. Will the introduction of Origin OS be enough to sway consumers who are accustomed to FunTouch OS? What are your thoughts on this shift? Do you think the vivo V60 will live up to the expectations set by its predecessors? Share your opinions in the comments below.